Pari. Kalau kasi madarating dito, may problema sa makalan. Katulad ko. Alam pa rin, kasalan yan. So, number one, ito na si Doc Adrian. Maraming salamat sa invitation. Congratulations sa Integrated Philippine Association of Optometrists. Okay, IEAO. Congratulations and thank you for taking this activity. Eyesight is a very important factor. Kung ang mismo, dati napansin nyo, may salamin sa may walang salamin dahil nahihirapan ako sa salamin ko. Bago natin yung bago. So, I believe that makes sense. Kaya pumunta ako dito eh. So, I would also like to know, thank yung Quitring Federation. Sige lang, okay. Salamat din sa KQF for their support for this activity. So, actually, eyesight, maraming narinig na kwento pagdating sa trabaho nga. Importante yung eyesight. Minsan marami sa atin ayaw kumain na may problema na sa paningin. Pero pinipilit pa rin. Pero yung nahihirapan sa trabaho. So there should always be consciousness na you have to not protect, pero you have to regularly check yung eyesight nyo. Ako nalalaman ko pag babago na salamin ko parang nahihirapan ako sa paggamit. Tapos lagi pa sa itulo ko. Tapos minsan hindi ko parang so, nalalaman. Yes, I would like to convey my thanks also to a very close friend of the Filipino community and a very close friend of people. Thank you. I know that KQF has been working closely with our community organizations for a long time. And the support that they give to our organizations and the assistance they give to our Filipinos in distress is something that the embassy appreciates very, very, thank you very much. We visited Mr. Arada and the other officials before, and we said that we would be cooperating with them in different activities. So, anytime there is we need the embassy's participation, we are always honored to be working with KQ.
Thank you very much.
Likewise, we are also happy to work not just with yung IEAO, but with the Filipino organization. Thank you for being here and saan ba kung tapos niya? Ito dito.